Happy morning, students. This is Mohammed Ashfaq. In this video, we will be learning about missing numbers topic, which is a part of National Talent Search Examination, which we shortly called as NTSE. So in this question, you can find a question mark, and this question mark should be replaced with any one of the options given below. For that, we have to find a logic that lies behind this question. So we are having two boxes, square boxes kind of, and here it is a complete box filled with the numbers, and in the second box we have a question mark. With the first complete box we have to find the logic, and with that logic we have to find the answer for the question mark which is given in the second box. So let's give a try. So here we are having a set of numbers. If we add all these three numbers, let's see what kind of number we are having. 35 plus 38 plus 43, which is nothing but 30, 60, 100, 108, 113 and 116. So 116 we are getting, and if we subtract this 116 with 15, we will get 101. Wow. So if we apply the same logic, we can find, or we can replace this question mark with the given options. So let's give a try. So we have to add 56 with the question mark, 34, and then this will be subtracted with minus 184, which will give the answer as 48. So we are having 56 over here, and 34, 50, 80 and 86, 90. So 90, if we take this numbers to the other side, question mark is equal to 48 minus 90 plus 184. Okay, so 184, 228 and 232. Question mark is equal to 232 minus 90. So minus 90 in the sense 142 we will get over here, and this answer lies in option B. So the correct answer for this question is 142, which is in option B. So the most important thing over here is we have to find the logic, and that logic will be applied to replace the question mark with the given option. So I hope you got an idea with this question. Let's move to the next question. So this will be a very easy question for those who are good in memorizing the cubic values and square values. So I used to suggest my students, everyone should be thorough with the square values from 1 to 25 and cubic values at least from 1 to 15. If you are good in that, then you can crack this question within 5 seconds. So what is the logic lies over here? Here we are having 2 and 3. The addition of this 2 is 5, and 5 square is nothing but 25. The same logic, if we add 10 plus 7 gives 17, and 17 square is nothing but 289. And 15 plus 6 is 21, 21 square is 441, and in the same way if we apply over here, 12 plus 13 is 25, and 25 square is 625, and we are having this in option D as an answer. So 625 is an answer for this question, and it will be easy for those who are good in squares and cubic values. So with this answer, I would like to conclude my session. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye-bye.